Let's talk about set of 2 with lids. Silicone 20 cavities ice ball ice cube mold DIY silicone ice cube sphere tray mold round maker pudding jelly bar home blue. Rating of temperature: 40 centigrade to 240 centigrade. Easy to use, convenient to take out the ice quickly. The frosted surface design, good hydrophobic, can be used for a long time. Full of fun, give you cool refreshing for a whole summer. 20 hole square hole round shoe lid. These 2 silicone molds make 20 little ice cubes and 20 little ice balls. The molds each have a lid to hold the water in place while transferring to the freezer and freezing. This also makes it easy to stack them. The ice is very easy to remove from the molds as the silicone is nice and flexible. Very efficient and lovely little ice cubes and balls. It does what it states, makes very small ice cubes. These are actually less useful than you think as they melt very quickly. Enough in one tray for one good-sized muddled drink. Great product, easy to fill and will the lids no spillage when moving to the freezer. Once frozen, the ice cubes just pop out with easy and with the different shapes make your drinks look special.